My dear brothers and sisters, I do believe faithfulness will not only be a matter in relationships. Nagiging tapat din tayo sa mga bagay na ipinagkakatiwala sa atin. God called me to be a priest, and so I am only asked not only to be faithful with myself, but to be faithful with the priestly duties entrusted to me. In every way, we share many duties and responsibilities, at sa mga ito, inaanyayahan din tayong maging tapat. And when we are faithful in such matters, consequently, we will be blessed. If we are faithful in our studies, in our work, in our ministry, in our service, we reap fruits. Papasa tayo, lalago tayo, gagaling tayo, mapopromote tayo, lalakas tayo. When we embrace faithfulness, we are rewarded. But then we also realize that some may fall short with being faithful. Madami ang napapabaya, ang nagsasantabi ng mga gawain, ang nagbabaliwala. And such experiences, we can say, is but unfaithfulness to their duties. With being faithful, we see how we can be corrected, we can be disciplined, and we can also be redirected once more. We heard about this parable shared by Jesus to us today. And it goes in a very simple yet profound invitation for all of us. Be faithful and you will be rewarded. Fall into unfaithfulness and you will be redirected. The master rewarded his servant for distributing the food allowance in proper time. But the master may also do his part by reprimanding his servant when he did the otherwise. At narinig natin kung anong po pwedeng isipin o gawin ng lingkod. Wala si bossing. At dahil wala siya, gagawin ko kung ano ang gusto ko. Hindi ko gagawin yung ipinagkatiwala sa akin. And as a result, he was reprimanded, he was redirected. My dear brothers and sisters, again, a simple and yet profound invitation to all of us. Be faithful and you will be rewarded. Fall into unfaithfulness and you will be redirected. We wish that we reap what we work on, then be faithful. We wish for answered prayers, then be faithful in praying. We wish for a sustainable life. Be faithful in work. Be faithful in studies. Be faithful in life. Baka po hindi na tayo nagiging tapat in our love for nature. And that is why we see how nature responds by redirecting us in our discontent and even misuse of nature. That is why many would suffer. And this is but, hopefully, a redirection to all of us so that we can be faithful in our love, not only for one another, not only for things, but our love and fidelity to nature. Being faithful may sound heavy, but every day, while you are seated there and while I speak here, while we do daily chores, while we work, while we study, while we involve in many things, doing it well is but being faithful. Do everything well. Be mindful. Be creative in our crafts. Be passionate. Be faithful. And you will see graces, rewards, and blessings flowing in your life.